Installing a set of 1300mm Titan storage drawers to the back of your ute is way easier than you might think. All you need is a couple of basic hand tools and a lazy afternoon. First, make sure you lay the box down flat so you can remove the packaging. Do not attempt to lift the drawer unit by the drawer handles or try to remove the drawers while the unit is standing vertically. The next step is to remove the drawer tops by undoing all of these button head bolts. Then remove the drawers and put them aside so you're left with just the frame. Now decide where you want to position the drawers in your ute. You can either mount them against the headboard so there's a bit of space at the tailgate end of the drawers, or mount them against the tailgate so there's room for batteries, water tanks and the like against your headboard. If you're mounting them against your tailgate, make sure to leave enough spacing so the tailgate will shut when the drawers are installed. Place one of the drawer tops back onto the frame and make sure your tailgate closes without hitting the drawer tops. Ensure the frame is centered in the tub left to right. Then make sure your ute is in park or in gear with the handbrake on. You'll need to drill 4 holes through the floor of your ute tub to mount the drawers through. Now when you have a rough idea of where you want to put your bolt holes through, climb underneath the ute with a torch and check you're not going to drill through anything important like spare tyres, fuel tanks or electrical wiring. If you need to, you can easily reposition the brackets underneath the drawers. Just undo these button head bolts and move the brackets up or down as needed until you find the correct positioning. Once you've figured out the best spot to secure your drawers to, remove the drawer tops and mark 4 holes with a permanent marker on each section where your bolts will go through and drill a pilot hole. Then re-drill with a 10mm drill bit. Deburr the holes with a file and give them a quick coat of spray paint to prevent rust. Now when you're bolting in your frame, use a bit of flat plate on the underside of the tub or some large washers to spread the load evenly. Now slide on your flat washers, spring washers and nuts and tighten them down. Once all 4 bolts are tightened down, slide your drawers back into the frame and make sure they slide in and out and lock correctly. Add the stoppers to the rear of the drawers by bolting them on like this, and test that they work properly to hold the drawers firm without rattling. Now add your drawer tops and secure with all the button head bolts. Be aware that you don't need to over tighten these bolts, just tight enough that the drawer tops are secure. Now how easy is that? In under 2 hours you've got a high quality, great value and super tough set of rear drawers in the back of your ute. Now all that's left to do is load them up and hit the tracks.